How to freeze rows in Google Sheets. In Google Sheets, we need to keep our cursor up to where we want the rows and columns to be frozen. If I keep my cursor on this cell, everything up to here will get frozen. So what you need to do is go to View, Freeze, let's say up to row 1. Everything up to this row will be frozen. Next, let's go to Freeze, up to column B. And as you can see, a line appeared. Everything on the right side got frozen as well now. To unfreeze a column or row at a later time, select the row or column that you wish to freeze by tapping on it once so that it becomes highlighted. Tap the row number to the left of the row you want to freeze to select the entire row. To select an entire column, select the letter at the top of it. Tap the highlighted column again so that the context menu appears, and select Unfreeze Column or Unfreeze Row. And that's how to freeze rows in Google Sheets.